get that ooh, baby. Baby, I get that ooh.
Alright, so we're headed to Dom's for basically where he lives in his community. They're having an early 4th of July. So I got Boogie with us. We got my nephew Trey, Hollywood Trey, with us today. He right behind me. Trey, where you at, man? Hey, so I got the fellas with me today, the big dogs. Unfortunately, Carissa and the baby girls weren't able to come with us today because Alea, as y'all know, Alea has croup, so she's not really feeling well. She's still getting over it. She's getting a little better, but she getting kind of to the point where she's not quite ready to be out and about just yet. So unfortunately, she's not gonna be able to participate with us in today's festivities. But I do got the big dogs, and so we're gonna get out here and see what's popping out here in Providence Village.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
We're gonna have a good time. We're having some fun. We're chilling. We're playing football. You're having some fun.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Those doesn't match you.
We are headed into Walmart. Got the fam. We're gonna do a little scavenger hunt. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We are on a hunt. The first thing we are going to look for is apple juice. Alea, do you think you can find the apple juice? All right, Aiden, let's go. Okay, that's not the one we get though.
What?
That's not the one we get. Where's the juice boxes? Where's the apple juice boxes that we always get? Aiden found it. We're looking for breakfast sausage. waffles. All right, I think we found the breakfast sausage. Okay, we are on a mission to find an electric pump for the pool. So let's see who can find it first. These are just... All right, we found one. Daddy found that one. Let's keep looking. And I am the winner. I found it. Let's see. I hear the kiddos. Where are they? Where are they? I found it. I'm over here. Oh, I won. I won. All right, so we ended up getting that pool. That's like $33 from Sam's. So we are letting the water build up.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay?
Good morning. Today is Wednesday. We are getting ready to make pancakes. So I'm gonna have Aiden do it with me. Well, actually, starting off kind of late. I had to work at 6 this morning, so it's now 10 o'clock. So we're just making breakfast for the kids. Aiden, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Did you wash your hands?
No.
Okay, you have to wash your hands first. This is a cup.
Water.
So pour that in there.
In
You gotta hold it over the bowl. No. So we're only gonna use the green one for this. So you see that there's a hole right there. You're gonna pour the pancake mix into here. So you're gonna fill up the you're gonna fill up the cup. Fill it up. It's not coming out. You might have to tilt it more. Ooh, we just lost a lot. Okay. That's okay. All right. Just shake it. There you go. No, it has to fill all the way to the top. Let me know. All right, don't put it in there. All right, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna fill this up with water. So go put it up under the sink. Oh, we spilled it. No, pour it in here. You're gonna pour it in here. All right, now take the little blue one and go fill that up with water. He kind of made a mess. So we're gonna clean it all right here. Yeah, so pour that one in there as well. Good job. There we go. So now you're gonna take this. We don't actually have like an electric whisk, so we just gonna mash it all up and stir it around to smooth. Pan with the
Like this?
spray the skillet all over. Get it all over.
Don't put it on there?
Yeah, make sure you're not dripping too much. Just put it right in the center, right there in the center. Be careful. So this is gonna be Aiden's.
But look, it looks like a tree.
I don't know what it looks like. Okay, so that's enough. So what we're gonna do is just let the bottom cook, and then we're gonna flip it over and let the top cook. Here's how Aiden's pancakes turned out. We're gonna go ahead and make these little mini waffles. So we are going to my mom's right now. The kiddos wanted to see her and my sister, so we're on the way over there. They are on their phones back there. Yes, I am the mom that gives screen time. So I am going to film Alea's hair tutorial at my mom's because my sister can kind of help me with that. That's why her hair is like Miss Afro today. So yeah, we're on the way over there. We're just going to hang out with them for a little bit. I will put some clips in here of me filming Alea's hair tutorial, and then her hair tutorial should be posted Thursday. So by the time you all are seeing this vlog, her hair tutorial will be up. So go like and comment on that if you can. And we never ask, can y'all like and comment and subscribe if you're just, you know, new to our channel? It does help us out a lot. Our channel is growing super fast and we are super grateful for everybody. So yeah, I will let you know when we get there. So we got to my mom's and my sister's, and they went on a little spree for the kiddos for the summer. So we got some of this is from Carter's and TJ Maxx for Aiden. So they got some bows, shoes, little 2-piece sets, pajamas. And then my sister brought them something back from Aruba. She just got back from Aruba. So she did get them like a little souvenir. But this is what they got.
Did you get what you wanted?
Yes, sir.
Alright, cool beans. Alright, put your seatbelt on. Cool beans. So we on our way to Dre's game. This is his first game of this season, so we about to see how my man performs.
Wait.
See, I got my other little nephew back here.
Hot Cheetos?
Dallas, say what's up.
So, did you get hot Cheetos?
He's one of the twins. We got Dallas and Denim.
Daddy, did you get hot Cheetos?
I didn't ask for anything, so if y'all got me something, that's a bonus, man. I truly appreciate it.
We just had to give him something.
What did you get, Book?
I got Doritos and water.
What did you get, Dallas?
I got a white Gatorade and chocolate.
You got some chocolate?
Yeah.
Man, I hope it don't melt. What kind of chocolate did you get?
Candy chocolate. The chocolate from marshmallows.
Oh, okay. You got like some Hershey's?
Yeah.
Okay, cool beans. Well, let's go see what this boy is talking about at the game. Got you. Yeah! Buddy!
It's already on play?
No. Yeah, now it is. So I'm dropping the kiddos off. They are going to see my grandma this weekend for the 4th. Aiden just got a haircut. Aiden, come show your haircut. Ooh, and he has a birthday coming up next week. He'll be 7, so we're going to be filming his birthday. I got him. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye, kids.